This video will show you how to access territory reports. So once you've uploaded a data set onto your map and you have either boundaries or custom drawn shapes on your map, then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the drop down menu and select territory report. Once there, it's going to generate a report that's going to show you a summary of all the shapes within that territory. So in this case I have the counties of California, and it's showing me a count of all the locations that fall within those counties, and then right now I have the count and the sum selected, so it'll show me a sum of all of the quantitative data. I can also include average, max, or min. I can do all of them or a combination. Then I can also come over here to the locations tab, and it will show me every single location in my sales data set, and I can see what shape those locations fall within. Then I can also download that information and export it into an Excel spreadsheet. Now just to give you an idea as well, I can click on that for a shape that I've drawn, and I can click territory report, and then it's going to show these based on the names that I've assigned them. So Bob, Sally, and Tammy's territories. And again, when I click on by location, it will show me that for the shapes as well. And I can download this. And that's how easy it is to access territory reports using Mapline.